Everybody, I'm getting into a laptop right now. It's the G60-535DX Notebook. Windows 7 machine. It's got a bad audio front end on it, so I'm just going to crack it open here. Okay, forgive me if I get my hands in the way. There's a ribbon cable that connects this part. What this is it's a jack for the headphones and a microphone, and it's failed. This is the second time that I've had to replace this part, so I'm not happy about it. I hope it is this part. Ordered another one. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyway, it lives right down in here, like this, with this ribbon cable. So I'm going to check the ribbon cable first, and then I'm going to put it back together and test it. Can't really show it to you because I've got my hands full here. But what I'm trying to do is make sure that the ribbon cable's seated. And it has a connector like this black one right here. Wow. This is not easy. To crack this case wide open takes a lot of work. I've already got half the screws gone out of it, so when I split these things open, I've been splitting them open with a guitar pick, which works pretty good. Okay, I've got to minimally put this thing back together. All these little connectors are tiny, and if you don't treat them with respect, you're gonna break, and it's not gonna be pretty. There is a reason why I know that. So most of these connections are very breakable, and once you break it, you're done. So that's the risk you take with laptops. There's one here. There's one down here. There's one here, and there's one there. And then of course the one down here. So this little piece here is a clamp for this ribbon cable for this keyboard. Also very breakable. There's really no way how to explain how to put this thing on. You just have to do it once or twice. But I will tell you, it's opening the clamp, shoving it in all the way, and then closing the clamp up. And that's pretty much how it's done. Being very careful not to break any parts. You break parts, you're done. I'm telling you how done you'll be Makes me nervous. I'm going to button this up just temporarily. See what's happening. Okay, just a really quick video here. I've been working on this HP. It's a G60-535DX Notebook. And the complaint was that the headphone jack wasn't working when it came in. There's the headphone and the microphone jack there. And I had noticed that the little silver ring around the headphone jack was missing. And so, you know, I proceeded to tear it apart and pull out this part here. And it just bolts in, and then there's a ribbon cable, much like the keyboard, that sort of thing. So, you know, I pulled this thing apart, which is pretty labor intense. And I ordered this part and then went ahead and put it in. Called the customer, told him to bring me back the notebook, and I was going to put it in for him, which I did. And it seemed to work fine. Well, the customer brought it back about a week later and said that that the headphone jack had now worked, and that wasn't a problem, but the audio was also coming out the speakers of the notebook up here. So even with the headphones plugged into this jack, the audio was still coming out the, you know, speakers of this laptop. It's supposed to cancel that out. Well, I went back and forth, and I thought it might have been a software problem, which it proved not to be. The only other answer I could find was it was either the wrong part that I ordered or a bad part. So I got back online with my supplier and I ordered another one, and I went ahead and I put it in, and it's doing the same thing. I've charged my customers $80 to fix this job. I had to buy 2 of these in parts, and the teardown for this thing has taken me about an hour and a half each time. So I've got 3 hours and 2 parts. I'm starting at this point to lose money, so I'm going to give it back to the customer with his money back and tell him that it's either an operating system problem or a hardware, or I actually got 2 bad ones of these. So, you know, you just got to know when to say when. I've lost enough money on the job. The laptop works perfect. It's just that if you want to listen in privacy with the headphones, the audio is still going to come out the speakers. Not a big deal to most people, but this owner needs to listen for some reason to audio with the headphones. So I'm going to just give him an apology with his money back, and that'll be that. Anyway, I wanted to put it out there that you might want to stay away from HP G60-535DX. I wouldn't normally put a company down like this for their product, but I've had similar problems with HPs in the past, and this is just another nail in the coffin for me, and as a repair shop, it's tough enough to make money without this nonsense. Have a good day, and see you next time. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.